Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here for a Five Below and a couple items from Dollar Tree. I don't want to do a separate haul because that's crazy. Hold on, let me do a better thumbnail. Okay, that's good enough. Oh, and there's one item from Marshall's. One. Okay. So I did get more of these for resale. They're the pancake layered collection. They'll be up on my eBay, which is Lissa Shops 25. That's a good way to support me and my channel because it's like a side hustle, you know. My YouTube helps that and that helps my YouTube, if that makes any sense. But this smells just like pancakes and syrup and all the goodness. Smells amaze balls, okay? And then this is the Whipped Dream body butter to go with it. Big flippin' thing of body butter. This is the cake batter lazy days, lazy Sundays or Sundays, whatever they're duping. But it's just a little mini one. I showed you guys the other day. I took one out, but it's got like a little cake charm on it. These are super popular. And I did get this one. I have not used it, and I'm going to open this one right now. It's the Lazy Days Iced Latte. But I did get an extra one to put up on my eBay as well. Oh, these are so cute. Look at the little latte charm. Look. Isn't it cute? And it's just like a mini travel. I have that spicy shit on my lips, and there's your... It's just plastic. And it is tinted. My lips still burn. Like, it plumps, but it hurts. It hurts so good. You can see the tint. It's a little bit brown, you know, whatever. And then I grabbed, I guess I got two of these, the creams, body butter, whatever. Then I got, last but not least, I got this Plum Amora Glow Face Serum. Dewy Hydration. These were only $1. They were on clearance, so I got two of them. I want to see what the serum looks like. So, I mean, it's a serum. Nice. I mean, it is what it is. It helps with hydration, and yeah, I like the packaging. For $1, yes, please. And then from Dollar Tree, I got this new Made in Korea. It's by Spa Essentials. It's a Plump Repair Overnight Hydrogel Mask with hyaluronic acid and plum extract for plumping and hydrating. So you are supposed to wear it overnight. We'll see. I cannot wear these things overnight. But yeah, they had a couple different ones. I just grabbed that one. And these, my friends, I'm going to open one. But these they had at the register. They were $1.75 each. I don't know if you've ever seen these. I might go back and get more. But they are fluffy stuffies, minis. So they come fluffy like that. And then you peel the fluff off and then you get a squishy. We're going to do it right now. But I almost do not want to peel it. Let's see. I'm only opening one. Oh, that's weird. Why can't they make them scented? So it's like a felt on top. So it's like an ice cream cone. Let's peel her off. Oh, weird. You peel it off. This is weird. This is going to get everywhere. Okay, this is weird. It's like, you know those peelers candies? But with fluffy, I feel like a dog trying to get to the squeaker. Okay. So you keep peeling it. And then, oh, neat. Look inside. I like the fluffy one better. This smells like, ew. Like, what the hell, dude? It smells like chemicals. Really bad chemicals. I know how to say chemicals. I just think it's funny. So it's like a little squeezy thing. Still got fur. But yeah. I don't know how I feel. It's cute. I don't know. It's these little fluffies. Fluffy stuffies. Like this. But they're cute. I mean, for a child. I'll let the kids do the other one. I might put this up on my eBay, the other one of these. It's not the most impressive thing. Yeah, I guess it's fine. Yeah, the cute little case, though. They put a lot of effort into, like, the... I mean, you could use that for, like, a pencil case, right? That would be kind of cute, actually. I might use it for makeup or something. This is weird. I don't know why that freaks me out, stuff like that. Okay, Marshalls. I got one item. This is going to go up on my eBay. These are super viral. They're the Ghost LED lights, but look how much those look like wax. Like it looks like actual wax, but they're the flickering Ghost. Super, super popular. So I picked this up from Marshalls for $13. I'll probably sell it for 25, or 30. You can get more than that out of it, actually. I'll get as much as I can out of it, but it's the Spooky Night by Authentique, but this is the only one they had left. So yeah, nice. But that is that it? Yes. Yeah, that is my haul for Five Below and that one item from Marshalls. If you're not subscribed, please do become part of the tribe. And it's a lot of fun, you guys. I mean, you got to hit your bell notification. So on a live, you can go down and chat with everyone. Literally, I have people from all over the world in that chat at one time. How flipping cool is that? I mean, that's a tribe if I ever knew one. But anyway, I'm a little bit crazy, a little bit funny, a little bit classy, and a lot trashy. But we can throw all those words around a little bit. But thank you for being here, and definitely hit that thumbs up button, hit the hype button. I need all the hypes I can get. And put down below, what's your favorite Halloween decoration that you like to put out maybe every year, like traditionally, if you celebrate Halloween? I'm curious to know that too. But anyway, thank you guys. Love you guys so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.